Hello, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. They're doing the lawn. I'm so sorry, but I'm just getting ready to go to the mall. I'm going to a mall that's like an hour away from me. So yeah, I'm wearing a hat because I'm breaking out on my forehead, so I want some pimple patches on there. So I'm just doing the bottom part of my makeup and I'm just gonna do my lips. So yeah. Alrighty, here's the fit. My hat is from Amazon. Top is from H&M. Pants are from Zara. Shoes are just Nike Air Forces. And then my bag is Rebecca Minkoff. So we have a little bit of an athleisure outfit going. Love this look. Super comfortable. My hair is just like in a little ponytail. And yeah. So, oh, and my earrings are Gucci. So let's head out and I'll see you guys wherever we end up. Alrighty, so I am back from the mall. It was crazy. So I actually went yesterday as well. So I'm gonna share everything that I got with you guys. So some of these are presents, some of these are just random things. So yeah. First place is Bath and Body Works, and I got this candle. This is Peppermint Sugar Cookie. It smells so good. It smells like a Thin Mint. And then this one is Mary Cookie. Self-explanatory. It smells like a Christmas cookie. Then I got this thing from this place called Wow. Not really sure. For my sister's friend. She's gonna pay me back. But it's like this little you like build this like little wooden car thing. He likes Legos, so I thought this was like cool but like different. For some kids in my life, I'm not gonna mention who, they probably don't watch my videos, but I got these little Hungry Hippos. I thought that was so fun. I used to love that game from Walmart. And then another kid in my life, I got this like little car thing that like flips over. It's like remote control. It's super cute. Then I got my dog these treats. She loves these. These have like bacon or something wrapped around it and she loves them. And then I just got like little trick treats that are like winter themed or shaped. And then I got this big bag of like bacon little treats. This is a lot, so hopefully this will last a while because she is a brat and demands treats all the time. Last bag from Walmart for this little baby. There's gonna be a baby coming soon, so I got this little set. It's like a little rainbow set. I think it's so cute. And then the little onesie has cute and happy on it. I thought this was literally adorable. And then for a little girl in my life, I got her these little joggers. The whole set was $10, which I thought that was such a great deal. So I got the pants and the matching top, which are so freaking cute. And they have like little hearts on them. So I thought that was such a cute little outfit for 10 bucks. On to Macy's. So I'm not going to mention who these gifts are for, just in case they watch this video. I don't think they will, but this top is just like a Champion t-shirt, nothing special. And to go with that, I got these pants that are just like the sweat shorts, and they have the little Champion logo right there. They're just super comfy. I got what color? A gray one of these, but I had to exchange it so I don't have it with me. But I got a red Under Armour shirt. Super nice. And then last but not least, I got this Calvin Klein men's sweatpants that just go straight at the bottom, and they just look super comfortable. So that's everything that I got yesterday, so now I'm going to show you what I got today. From Forever 21, I got a potential birthday outfit. I'm not sure if it's going to look good or anything, but it's just like this crocodile, like fake leather dress. I think it's so cute, but hopefully it looks cute on. It has a zipper in the back, and then it has like a little slit right here. Hopefully this looks cute. I'm thinking of wearing this with like a blazer and heels or something. And then this is my sister's birthday gift from my grandma. We go shopping for one of my grandmas because she can't drive. So we got this little sports bra from Forever 21 to go with this little flannel that's cropped from Forever 21 as well, to go like this. It looks so cute. I would say I would wear this like open, and it's adorable. And then from Aerie, we got these joggers to match, so that's gonna be like a whole outfit for her. And here are the pants and just the jogging bottoms. Now I got a bunch of stuff from Morphe. They had so many sales there, and I was so excited about it. So my mom and I got these Patchology Rejuvenating Eye Gels. These are so popular, and they were on sale for $6 each. These Jaclyn Cosmetics Oil Primers were on sale for $15 each. So I told my mom to get herself one because I love this primer, and this one we're giving somebody for a present for Christmas. And then personally, I just bought this Dragon Beauty Forever Fantasy Setting Spray. This was on sale for $10. And then I got the Morphe lip liner in the shade Honeymoon. It looks so nice because I love their formula. And I've been wanting to try a pink under eye setting powder. So I've tried this formula before, but not this shade. This is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Under Eye Powder in Brightening Pink. So I'm really excited to test a pink powder because I feel like a lot of people and a lot of celebrities use a pink powder. My mom got this for my sister as well from Nordstrom's. This is just like a little ring set. Super cute. I saw this little vendor and I thought it was so cute I couldn't pass it up. So this is basically fake macaroons for your dogs. How freaking cute is this? It's PB&J, so it's from a Paws Nation, and it's just so cute. It comes with organic fresh eggs, flour, maple syrup powder, coconut butter, peanut butter, dried blueberries. So this is adorable. I really couldn't pass up getting this. And then I don't think my boyfriend's gonna watch this. I hope he doesn't, but this is the well, I got this one for myself. This is the seamless thong underwear from Lulu. I heard these are awesome, but I wanted to try a singular pair before I bought like a bunch of them. I heard they're really good for working out and stuff. And then here's part of his Christmas present. I don't think he's watching this. He doesn't really watch my videos. So this is their 5-pack underwear. He really likes these. I don't know. I don't really know what's exactly special about these, but he really likes these. They're freaking $108 for 5 of them. It's ridiculous, but he likes them, so I get it for him. And then his friend got him the hoodie that matches this. So I thought that it would be nice to get him the matching joggers. I was going to get him the shorts, but they didn't have a size. But then I saw these, and I thought it was a better idea. So these are the At Ease joggers. And they're just like this textured print with pockets, and then they go up at the end and they just tie up, and they're so nice. So that's just part of his gift. I need to go get a few more things, but then that's his present. And that is everything that I got from the mall. Alrighty guys, I think this is going to be the end of the video. I know it was kind of like more of a haul than, I know that was kind of like a haul more than like a vlog, but I like to share like my outfits and stuff and like, I don't know, the pretty things, so I kind of made it into a vlog. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!